Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Word. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Open the registry editor and click Yes to access. Here you are going to go to the path that you see on the screen. In it, you will go to the Office folder and then access the version that you currently use. After this, select the Word folder, right-click and click Delete. You must confirm this with the Yes option. You can open Word to see that it has been reset to its default values. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.